you all? Good morning. So hope all are doing good, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Today we will look at a new topic, or we are going to have a discussion on how the classroom management, the teacher plays a vital role, right? So we have first BEd students with us. We are going to discuss how they impact on our classroom management and the coordination between the staff and the classroom environment, how she makes comfortable, right? Okay. So we have Nandini to talk on that.
School administration, school management, teacher plays various roles. Now we are going to see teacher as a controller. Teacher is someone who manages all the activities around the classroom, and she or he is the primary source of information for students. She directs all the students and guides them through. For example, if she is presenting a model, for example, a science topic, any topic, she is presenting a model. She controls all the students to sit silently and watch what she is doing, observe, and then take notes. After that only she allows the students to ask questions if they have doubts. Another example, if she is handing over any worksheets for them to complete, she controls all the students to sit there in silent, make some distances and sit. And after completing only, they have to raise their hands ahead. So here in all these cases, teacher acts as a controller. So in this style of role is where teacher acts as a controller, and this is where we can say this is teacher centered.
Teacher center. Okay, what is according to you?
Teachers are not just class instructors, but they are also a strong role model in school administration. They have been functions like planning an event or maintaining the records and organizing some kinds of event or working in a functions, etc. And also when it comes to the they also have not just classroom expertise. They are the overall strong role models in the school administration. They they have running the because of them the school administration and the school system is running smoothly by being their punctual, responsible, organized behavior, and also the school classroom system. The teachers are part in classroom system as they interacting with the working people and planning the events and also maintaining the reports. And because of their honorable and honestful and respectful behavior, all it makes the people and pupil and the fellow staff. It makes a responsible and a role model for them. It also sets a good example for them. And also when it comes to the in the case of encouraging the leadership, teachers also encourage the leadership within the students as they give small, assigning small responsibilities and tasks with their students, like honoring the class and monitoring the class, and also also helping, including the students in helping their some kinds of activities they also did. So the students also became more responsible and more confident by doing those kinds of things too. So this makes the teacher more important in the classroom as well as the school administration.
So we have Kavya to talk the role of a teacher as a supervisor.
Ma'am, the role of teacher supervisor in school administration, they have multiple roles, ma'am. Especially in supervising, they supervise the school events. For example, in annual day functions, the teacher only supervise the students, like dance competitions, like competitions, they only supervise it, and they report to the headmasters. And in halls also, there must be a teacher to supervise the students, ma'am.
Okay. So we have also Christina with us to talk the role of a planner, how the teacher plan and organize the functions like that. Yes.
When it comes to teacher as a planner in school administration, the first thing that comes to our mind is lesson planning. The teacher must have a proper lesson planning. She will have this idea of what are the lessons to be taught in that particular day. She will have that idea of the resources to be with her before she present in the classroom, and she have a proper classroom organization planning. For example, she will ensure the comfort of the students, and when it comes to time management, she will use the resources wisely, and she will have the proper materials, and within the given span of time she or he will have the ability to present it within that given time. So the teacher has that time management. And when it comes to student assessment, the teacher do this dictations, revision, examination to check the progression of the student, and the teacher will help the students to have the self-reflection, the areas to be improved, what are the areas that the student has to be improved, and what are the weakness of the students, and how can it be improved in the future. So these are, when it comes to teacher as a planner, she focuses on these things prior to her role as a
Mentor.
mentor. Yes.
Thank you. So Sonia, what do you think about the impact of teacher?
Well, yes, ma'am. So when we have seen like all my classmates who have come up with their points like teacher as a controller, teacher as a supervisor, teacher as a planner, and teacher as a role model here, we can say like these are all a part of a teacher. It's just not a teacher who's going to just teach the lessons for a student. It's also necessary to be all around like these roles which a teacher has to take upon. So with this we can conclude a teacher is a great role model in the school management. Thank you.
So thank you all.
Thank you.
Ma'am.